Okay, so this particular job, this car has been stolen. We're at the police impound yard, and all the black dust that you see on there is all fingerprint dust. The police have dusted the car. So this job is extremely unusual because this car was actually stolen by somebody cutting and programming a key. Now the owner has come to this place. The car has been released from the police impound yard, but what they did is they cut a key and they actually programmed the key on top of that to steal the car. So on what's happened here, so we're just waiting for the owner of the vehicle to come, and we will. Okay, so what we've done is I've got a transponder in the head, but I've also just programmed one there now. So what we'll do is we'll just move that down like that, and we'll put the transponder close to it, and there we have it. All keys lost. 2013 Kia Rio. Thanks for watching.